Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. This is your bonus love reading for the month of April 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your bonus love reading. Bonus love messages for the month of April 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for the Aquarius for the month of April 2021, which I need to deliver. What are the messages? It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Nothing is yet in stone. Any other message? A time to give rather than to take. Beautiful. So the first message for you is that the time has come for you, Aquarius, to release negativity. Anything which don't serve your highest good, you need to release that thing as soon as possible. It's time to release negativity here. Then there is nothing is yet set in stone here. Okay, this is a time to give rather than to take. New moon in Virgo. Okay, then there is adjustments are required. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. Don't let pride get in your way. And a new start is coming for you, Aquarius. 0220 was the recording reading time. In your main reading too, in your main general reading, and in your love reading, a new cycle is going to begin because you are closing out the old cycles. So a new start is coming for you, beautiful Aquarius, and very powerful new moon. On this new moon, which is there on, I think, on Sunday. Okay, and yeah, so a new start is coming for you. So beautiful message is here for you, Aquarius. The signs which you may be dealing with is Scorpio, Virgo, and Leo. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the animal spirits. What are the messages? Butterfly and the chameleon. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages? Which I need to deliver. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. There is swan spirit, time for a deep dive here, Aquarius. There is wombat spirit, be at home. Then there is rhino spirit, overcome any obstacle. You can overcome any obstacle. Okay, if you're facing any obstacle, you can overcome any obstacle. There is vulture spirit, nothing is wasted, and that's right, there is nothing is wasted here, Aquarius. Okay, then there is porcupine spirit, time for a beginner's mind. Okay, because a new start is coming for you, so time for a beginner's mind is here. Okay, then there is lion spirit, be generous to the spirit. This was the same message in your last reading too. And see, butterfly spirit is here again. Transformation is beautiful, and many of you are going through transformation here, Aquarius. So transformation is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the numerology deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April? 1 minute. Yeah, so perseverance was there. Then there is creativity, adventure, effort. Any other message for Aquarius? Okay. Let me adjust my cards. See again, new beginnings. New beginning are coming for you, Aquarius. Beautiful new beginning in love, new beginning in everything is coming for you. Love is coming for you, new beginning is coming for you. Time out is here, and there is environment and perseverance. So spend some time alone, Aquarius. You have to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Perseverance, time out, and environment. Spend some time in nature. That's the message here. Then there is creativity, effort, and adventure. Okay, so use your creativity. I always tell you, you have a lot of creativity to explore. Work on your creativity, Aquarius. There is adventure and there is leadership. Lot of adventure is coming for you, and use your leadership quality. Okay, so these are the messages from the numerology deck, and the numbers which can be important for you is 3 and 4. 3 and 4 can be an important number for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the spell casting oracle deck. What are, wow, see, new beginnings. New beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Where is it? Okay, let it be. New beginnings are coming for you. Let's see what are the messages. There is willpower. You have a strong willpower, Aquarius. Okay, you can balance anything. Use your willpower and you will feel your freedom. Freedom is coming for you because you are closing out a cycle. You will get your clarity here. You will get your answers. The answers are coming for you, Aquarius. The answers which you are looking for. You get your answers. You get your clarity. The clarity will be coming, is coming for you. Whatever answers you are looking for, that are coming for you. Trust, spirit guide, empowerment, and family. Beautiful. See, have trust in the divine, have trust in the universe. There is a spirit guide which is there with you, Aquarius, to protect you, to guide you. You are not alone here. You're becoming more empowered than before. Empowerment is here. This is the Empress energy. And you, this is family card, 10 of cup. Someone wants to get married to you, with you, Aquarius. Happy family, happy life. You are going to receive a offer. Someone wants to create a family with you. They want to create family with you. Wow. And that's the new beginning. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's the new beginning. Peace is coming for you. Bottom of the deck, new beginning. From my every deck, I'm getting the new beginning here for you, Aquarius. New beginning is coming for you. You can have a look on others reading too. I told you that there is new beginning which is coming for you in that too. Okay, let me show you like this. See, from Moonology deck, a new start is coming. From Porcupine Spirit, beginner time for a beginner's mind. From Numerology deck, new beginnings. New beginnings. And then from this deck too, new beginnings. New beginning is coming for you from this 4 decks. I have used my 4 decks, and in every deck I am getting the new beginnings. So new beginning is coming for you, Aquarius. That is for sure. A new start is coming. New beginnings, new beginnings. Can you see how powerful it is? Time for a beginner's mind. Thank you so much for giving the message. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful messages. The answers you are looking for are coming for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Quantum Oracle deck. Kindred's partnership. See, many of you are going to get married with your twin flame, with your soulmate. You are going to get reunited. Reunions are coming for you in April, or you are going to get married. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from the Quantum Oracle deck for Aquarius for the month of April 2021. Transformation, beautiful. See, the cycle is going on of transformation. You are going through a transformation cycle here, Aquarius. Transformation is beautiful. Transformation is taking place for you. Can you see how beautiful message is here? Transformation is here again. You are going through a transformation. Beautiful. Any other message for Aquarius for the month of playing it safe and great gratitude? Okay, so always pay gratitude here, Aquarius, about whatever you are having in your life. Always feel gratitude. Always say thank you, universe, because you are a blessed soul. Whatever you are having in your life. No, I'm not going to take it. Whatever you are having in your life, the other one are not having it. So always pray gratitude to the divine, to the universe. There is status quo. Whatever you are going in a cycle, okay, keep going in a forward direction, because right now maybe you cannot see, but the sun is coming, the light is coming. Can you see how this light is indicating on this card? The light is here, the pathway is here. So keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Keep doing whatever you are doing here. Bottom of the deck I'm having Miles, your higher self. Beautiful, because you are getting transformed here, Aquarius. Transformation is taking place and you will become a higher self. You're getting on your higher self. You were in a stuck energy here before, but you will find a milestone. You will get out of that stuck energy here and you will receive that milestone. You will not going to get stuck here in the month of April. You will not be in this energy of stuck energy. Hidden motivation. Someone wants to create family with you. I told you, someone wants to create a happy family, happy life with you. They are having intentions to create beautiful life with you, Aquarius. They want children with you. They want house with you, a home with you. I can say that. See, I just told this and they want to come out. The loving man. Someone wants to create a family with you, Aquarius. They want to create beautiful family with you. The loving man. They want to create a family with you. Professional assistance. Maybe you will require some kind of professional assistance here. And can you see intuitions and manifestation, a creative endeavor, back and forth, peace. Wow. New beginning and commitment. Wow. What else you want, Aquarius? This is the fifth deck on which I am having the new beginnings. New beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. There is a commitment which is coming for you. And why these things are coming for you? Because you are using your intuitions and your manifestations. You are manifesting these things in your life. Maybe some of you are going back and forth, but don't worry at all. That's why the message is here, the status quo. Keep moving in a forward direction. Keep doing whatever you are doing. Keep manifesting it, because things are manifesting in your life here. There is a creative endeavor, there is a creative event which is happening for you, Aquarius. That's why there was that use your creativity, which will help you out here. The peace is coming for you, Aquarius. Again, the same message is here from this deck too, that the peace is coming for you. Okay, so commitment is coming for you, Aquarius. Beautiful. Can you see? There is a loving man who wants to give you a commitment. Beautiful. There is new beginnings which are coming for you. How beautiful it is. Can you see how much it is shining? Wow, I love it. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. See, peace. Peace, 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 peace. Peace is coming for you, Aquarius. Peace, peace. Peace is coming for you. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April. Please give me the messages for the month of April. What are the messages for Aquarius? Awakening. What are the messages? Many of you are going through awakening process here. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Your intuition will guide you properly. Right now you are very intuitive. Awakening and transformation is taking place for you. Any other message for Aquarius April 2021 which I need to deliver? Any other message? Wow. Surrender yourself to the divine. 1144 was the recording reading time. Surrender to the divine, Aquarius, okay? And there is purity. You're becoming more pure than before here. And because of that, there is a union which is coming for you. See, many of you are going to get a union with your divine counterpart. Here I'm having love. Love and union is coming for you. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one message from the self-care cards. What is the message for Aquarius? Tenderness. Speak gently to yourself, Aquarius. Cherish the child within yourself. Okay. Then there is creativity. Again, the creativity message is here. Express your creativity. Delight in the mystery of your inner muse. So use your creativity. Then there is awareness. Practice present moment awareness. The meaning you in for the lives in the ever present now moments. Then there is truth. Tell the truth. Integrity is the key to living an authentic life. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. Please help me out to deliver the messages for Aquarius April 2021 reading. What are the messages you want me to deliver to my Aquarius? What are the messages you want me to deliver to Aquarius? Forgive yourself, Aquarius. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having forgive yourself. Then there is worry is a wasted emotion, and that's right. Worry is a wasted emotion. That's why there was that practice present movement here. Then there is follow the golden rule and give without expectation. And what's the golden rule? That is, whatever you will give to anyone, that is going to come back to you. So always try to help others, always try to love others, always try to give happiness. Okay, so whatever you will give, that will come back to you. Give without expectations, here is the message. There is appreciate your talents and feel joy in all you do. Whatever you are doing, feel joy in that. You are here for a reason. Abundance is your right. You are here for a reason and abundance is your right. Thank you guys for giving the messages. So let's see one message from affirmations on love and relationship. Give me one message for Aquarius. Give me one message. Resilience. Sticks and stones may break my bones, and unkind words can somehow drain every bit of joy and color from my once rosy life. But nothing can ever permanently damage the real me. I love myself, I cherish myself, and I vow to remember that I'm always camp out in the depths of myself, even when I don't feel like very much of myself. Okay, 1551 was the recording reading time. So resilience is the message here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from law of attraction. What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message? I can focus specifically upon what I want. You are bombarded by thought stimulation, and so unless you give your attention to what you specifically want, you can be influenced by which you surrounds you. Unless you are focusing on what is important to you, you can stimulate it by others' thought, which may or may not be important to you. So that's the message I'm getting for you. Then there is the law of attraction is my life basis. Since the law of attraction is the basis of your experience, and understanding of it is essential to living life on purpose. In fact, an understanding of the law of attraction is essential to living the life of joy that you came forth to live. So these can be the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add some message from the universe, and then I'm going to close out your reading. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Please give me the messages. What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Give me the messages which I need to give. It's not as if you need anyone. Okay. Then there is convince yourself, not others. Okay. You have to convince yourself, not others. If they once love you, they still do. Okay. Dwell on what you love. So these are the messages from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your bonus love messages for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.